Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is your host James. Today I got some exclusive news. Illustrious XL version 1.1 is launching only on Tensor. This is not just any AI model, okay? This is one of the best. Now with ever better natural language understanding, making prompts more accurate than ever. Plus, it features a high resolution, more vivid colors, and sharper facial details. If you are into high-quality AI-generated anime style, this is a game changer for you. Okay, let's try to find it out. Okay guys, we are landing the homepage of the Tensor. If you don't know the domain, by the way, is Tensor.art. This is AI platform that I visit every day because I love Tensor so much. I generate image every day on Tensor because they have a lot of way to generate images. For example, like you can click the creation and you can find some spark ideas by other community members, and also you can use ComfyUI just like local, and also you can host the AI model, you can train your AI model. This is an amazing platform for AI lovers like me. And not to mention, you can download the model and use it online with a single click. They have 1,000 and 1,000 AI models, and I bet one of them must be attractive to you, right? And once you find the AI model that you like and you can click it, download it, or just click the run, you can simply type your prompt here and generate inside of this chat box. This is so easy to use. If you are a beginner of AI art, this is a tool for you. Not to mention, we have a lot of workflows that you can download or use directly. This is why I love Tshort. But today, we have a big news because Illustrious XL version 1.1 is officially online and only on Tensor. This is amazing news because Illustrious is a very famous AI model. Illustrious models are loved by all the AI communities. And now it's officially on Tensor, which means you can use it directly, and also you can train Illustrious AI models in Tensor. In fact, we have Illustrious XL version 1.1 and version 1.0, two different models. Okay, we can find the Illustrious XL v1.1 models in the homepage, and if you can't find it, just search for it. And when we click here, so this model is exclusive, which means only available for Tensor, and you can directly use it by type your prompt here, for example, like, and we can click here. We can talk about the act by ratio to landscape and the quantity to images, and we can click upscale and click this button. Now we just generated two images directly by Illustrious. But this is not just all. We can even download this model. You can click the download button to download this model. And of course, when we scroll down, we can see some nice images all generated by this model. That's crazy. And some of them are so beautiful, so impressive. For example, like this one, we can click the remix button. So here we can remix with this member's work, and we can change, we can modify the prompt. And I know my prompts not the best prompts you ever seen, right? So we can click Enhance button. Oh, we got a better one. But if you are not English speaker, you can use your local language, no matter it's Korean, Japanese, Chinese, whatever. You can click the translation and get the English version of the prompt and click the Enhance for twice. Then you get a perfect prompt, okay? But right now, I think the resolution is good already. And we can see this author not only used Illustrious as a checkpoint, but also add some LoRA model. We have this Leonardo model as the LoRA model, and also extra detailer, add more details to this final works. We got another detail enhancer. So when we click Go, we are going to generate an image with such a parameters that the author used. Alright, I think with the LoRA models, we get better performance of the image, right? And check out the details. You don't need to enhance such an image, right? You can click here to download this image, and we got a second one. Oh, second one is also nice. So we are remixed with this author's masterpiece into something of our own by using the Illustrious and several LoRA models, and this is really cool. But what if I want to create something by myself? Okay, click the Run. Now we are in the interface of the Tensor creation. This is pretty much like Stable Diffusion, but even better. So here we can add a LoRA model. See, we have a lot of AI models on Tensor, and we have marks. So when it's fit for the Illustrious, it will mark directly. So let me add this one. Click the select and add another one. Extra detailer. Let me add another LoRA. So let's use this one. So now we have 3 LoRAs. Let's see what's gonna like. Wow, check out the details. It's enough to become a wallpaper, right? And you also can tweak the impact of each LoRA, and you get very different results. And after we tweak the impact of each LoRA model, we get this. Oh, amazing. I cannot wait to make it into animations. Oh my God. We can download it directly. Remember, all of the images you see right now is without enhancement. So we can even enhance it to get a better quality. And you are free to add more LoRA and modify it on your own. Okay, we mix with a new model here, and we get this. And change another model, we get this one. Okay, so you get this, and this, also this one, and this one. Very nice illustration by Illustrious XL. We mixed with a few LoRA models, of course. And what if I want to create a Japanese anime style that a girl inside of the big robot or little robotic vibe? Can we do that? Of course. Let me remove the model here and add another LoRA. And for each LoRA, we can click this star, so it will be appear my collections, and we can add this one and change to impact 1, and let's create again. Okay, we add a robotic style and also mix with our styles, and we get this one. Amazing. So right now it can be my wallpaper already, right? So nice. We don't need to enhancement, in fact. And what about this one? Also super cool, because the previous one only have a very pretty lady, but this one we have some weapons, we have some device-like style, we have a more robotic style, right? And this one we even have twins, and I think this is pretty nice. We have this sophisticated cyberpunk city vibes, right? Wow, it's so nice, and we can find which one is your favorite. When you find it, and you can save this image. If somewhere is not satisfied you can use impend functionality. Click here, and you can cover the part you wanna redo it, and click the conform, and click the generate again. See, we impend the eyes, and now it's softer. Okay, now let's try 2 characters. Let's click the generate. And now we got this, and this one. Which one is your favorite? Tell me in the comment zone. So let me tweak the impact of each LoRA model, and also enhance the prompt, and click again. And we got this, and also this one. Pretty cool, right? After generating images, we can even use this feature to generate a video based on our image. That will be crazy. We can actually make an animation. Okay, so much for today. We tried many styles with Illustrious, and the performance amazing. We used several LoRAs and to match with the Illustrious XL 1.1. I hope you like this episode, and I hope you enjoy the process of generating images in Tensor. And don't forget to show me your best works, okay? You can publish on Tensor. And if you have any questions, any doubts, please leave your questions inside of the comment zone below. And also don't forget to subscribe my channel. I will see you on the next episode of the Tensor Tutorial. See you next time. Bye bye. Congratulations on watching to the end. If you like this video, subscribe to my channel. You won't miss out on more great contents. I will see you on the next episode. Bye bye.